Welcome to the 7th episode of Tour the World. This is our second video exploring the breathtaking landscapes of Iceland. Our 4K drone footage is always original, captured by our team during our visits to these incredible locations. In our first Icelandic adventure, we started in Reykjavik, the capital, and journeyed through the stunning southern regions. We witnessed some of the most magnificent waterfalls and rivers flowing through the rocky terrain. The beauty of Hálsasveitarvegur waterfall left us with an open mouth. It's a must-visit for anyone traveling to southern Iceland. We also marveled at the iconic Hraunfossar waterfall, another unforgettable stop on our journey. In this second video, we'll take you to even more mesmerizing waterfalls, sandy beaches, glacial lakes, and through Iceland's magical landscapes. The serene sound of water cascading through rocky landscapes stretches over kilometers, creating a breathtaking view you'll never forget. We hope you enjoy today's video. Let's dive in. In this video, we drove through Hálsasveitarvegur for 138 kilometers northeast of Reykjavik. This scenic rural road winds through rolling hills and lush farmlands and offers stunning views of distant mountains. Travelers on Hálsasveitarvegur can experience the peaceful beauty of Iceland's countryside, dotted with traditional farms, small villages, and charming lakes. Continuing our journey, we visited Hraunfossar, a unique series of waterfalls in western Iceland. Unlike typical waterfalls, the water here emerges from an underground river that flows through porous lava fields, seeping out through countless crevices. This creates a mesmerizing spectacle as the water gently cascades over a nearly 900-meter stretch, flowing down moss-covered rocks into the Hvita River. We paused here on a hilltop to enjoy the crystal-clear water flowing through the rocks, surrounded by snow-covered hills. The water was so much clean, creating a mind-blowing view. These waterfalls were surrounded by amazing snowing hills. Next, we explored the nearby Barnafoss waterfall. Known for its narrow channels rushing through a rocky gorge, Barnafoss is steeped in legend. It's named after a tragic story of two children who fell into the river while trying to cross a natural stone bridge that once spanned the turbulent waters. Driving along the Hálsasveitarvegur road, our fast drone followed our car, capturing the breathtaking landscapes around us. We traveled through lakes, plains, and stunning hilly areas. The drone recorded volcanic landscapes and rugged rocks on either side of the road. The journey was incredibly peaceful, with almost no one around. Snow-covered mountains and a few small villages dotted our route, where we stopped to capture amazing drone shots of the serene landscape. We also discovered a beautiful lake and plains affected by volcanic eruptions. Iceland contains about 200 volcanoes of various types. Unfortunately, the plains that we covered lacked the lush greenery typical of the region, but the sunny weather provided a picturesque backdrop for our visit. And with that, we conclude our Icelandic adventure. We highly recommend this destination to all travelers. We hope you enjoyed these 2 videos showcasing Iceland's diverse landscapes and magnificent waterfalls. Stay tuned for our next episode, and until then, goodbye.